Welcome to the Whisper Meditation for deep relaxation. Embark with me on a journey to discover the sanctuary within, where tension dissolves and peace arises. Access the serenity you deserve. If you're driving or find yourself in any situation that demands your immediate attention, please do not listen to this session. Save this recording for a moment more conducive to relaxation. As we embark on this journey, I invite you to find a quiet, comfortable space to lie down or sit peacefully. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's go. Imagine a lush, vibrant meadow. The sun is high above, bathing the world in a golden light. As you walk, you come across a perfect spot. A soft patch of green grass, inviting you to lie down. This is your place, far away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Let yourself settle into the grass, feeling its gentle, supportive embrace. The grass beneath you is incredibly soft. Notice how the sun warms your skin. It's comforting. With each breath you take, The sun's softness relaxes your muscles one by one. Releasing tension from your body. Breathe in the fresh air, and with each exhale, release stress. There is nothing you need to do. Just appreciate. In this peaceful meadow, surrounded by tiny flowers, let stress flow away from you. Dissolved by the soft breeze. With each breath, you find yourself more grounded, more present in this moment of peace. As you lie in a sunlit grass, notice the soft sunlight that shines down from the sky. This golden light is pure healing energy. The sun's rays calms your senses, permeates your essence, and infuses you with love. Now, in this state of deep relaxation, allow the ethereal sounds of nature to soothe your soul. Let serenity permeate every cell of your being. As this meditation slowly ends, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out and return to the world at peace. Carry this peace throughout your day, knowing you can return to the sunlit grass comfort anytime you need it. Relaxation is always available in your next mindful breath.